This is questions 20 and 21 on the Unit 3 review. For each function, find the vertex. And vertex form is y equals a times x minus h squared plus k. And you find the vertex by using the numbers that are in the locations for the h and the k. So we're going to take two problems that are in vertex form and we're going to label all of the parts. We're going to label the a, the h, and the k. So a is here. There's an invisible one right there. H is right here, and K is right here. The next thing we want to do is we want to compare all of the signs to the signs in the original vertex form. The original vertex form says x minus. My new problem says x minus. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put parentheses around this 1. And then it says plus K. And so my problem, my new formula says plus K, my new vertex formula. So I'm going to put parentheses around that 4. So now I look at what's inside those parentheses, and that's how I determine my vertex. My vertex is the h and the k. Well, h is a positive 1, and k is a positive 4. So the vertex of this function is 1, 4. Now, in the next problem, in number 21, it's a little bit different. Let's make sure that we can see where our vertex form is. And let's make this problem look like the original vertex form by changing any signs that needed to be changed. So we're going to say y equals 5 times x minus. Oh, except that here it says plus. What you have to remember is that double negatives make a positive. So if I want to take a positive and break it apart, I break it down into two negatives. So I'm going to say minus a negative 3, and then close those parentheses and square it. And once again, in the original form for vertex form, it says plus k, so I'm going to put a plus sign, and I'm going to take that minus sign with that 6. And then I'm going to label my parts, my a, my h, and my k. And I'm going to put parentheses. This sign goes with this x, this sign, or this 6. This sign goes with this 3. So I have a minus a, let me say that again, a times x minus h plus k. The negative 3 and the negative 6 are the numbers that were inserted as the vertex. So our vertex is negative 3, negative 6.